So today we're going to show you guys how to do park sensors on an XC90. First off, knot up, pull up the back hatch. It's a little bit dark, just these two tabs and they're locked in. So, pop them up. Wig on, the whole thing pops up. Now we have kind of started already. Normally, battery is in here, hold down tray for the battery, all that stuff. We've taken that out. And just let me get a flashlight. To start with, you clean your garbage out of the way so that you can work in there. And there are 4 bolts. Yes, 1, 2. I think it's over here. Behind that loom somewhere. There should be 4 bolts that you got to get into with an extension. And what size you got there? I'm using a 13. 13? Yeah. Careful so you don't drop them out. Very interesting. I guess they're nuts. They're not bolts, but yeah, interesting sleeved nuts. Back outside, corner marker lights, and they have a little tab in them in here. You stick your screwdriver in, give it a small pry, it comes out, light, yeah, so they click in like that, into there, and then that's just a, I can't see nothing, that's just a push tab. It's got one of those on each side, obviously. Take the little pry tool. There. Them out. These can be a little tight if they've never come out. Just be gentle. And they should come straight back. Go just like that. All right, and then behind those there should be 3 T25 Torx. If no one's been in there before and it's in its factory, that's what it should be. Alright, and then after you have the Torx out, you unplug these connectors here, which I think they just go to these little lights from the taillights. So one on each side, unplug them, and then come underneath, and there is, and I don't know if you guys can see it, it's dirty. Right there where my thumb is, there's a rivet. So you need to get yourself a drill and drill that out. Just like that. Alright, now you come bring yourself inside the vehicle. Driver's side, back compartment. Peel it all up. Get it out of the way. Get yourself a light so you can see. Okay, now This little box right here is for parking assist. It's velcroed on from the factory because they knew they were going to have problems getting at it. Just a little tab. And clip it. There you go. Just the one. And it runs down to the bottom. You can see with my big old hands now. Runs through the bumper through that big grommet. Shove that down through there. Right, so you got that off. Come around to the side. These panels come with the bumper and they unclip from here. It should be like that. So if you have a good pry tool, good. Just be careful with it. That, stick a screwdriver in the back so you don't cut everything up. Get it popped out. Like so. Or if you have cheap pry tools, just break them off in there, no problem. For the next bit, I'm going to just grab some gloves. Stick your fingers in there, give it a pull. Like that. Very violent, but there you go, you got a free bumper. So do that on both sides. Alright, then just these little wires that were left here, pull them up, slide them off.
I think I broke that one.
No.
Whatever.
Okay. And then your bumper is free. This one is that from the park sensor that you pulled out underneath. Can't even see. This one is from the park sensor box that was inside. Comes through here. Goes back inside. So next time, if you're not like me, you're not trying to stick it through this grommet hole. It goes in here. It has its own grommet. Okay, so you got the bumper out, it's on the ground. You got Mr. Ben there to do all the work for you. So if you got him in your shop, you're doing good. These little tabs, so you get your screwdriver around either side of them. I know it's hard to see, but top ones have to. Okay, so you got a row of these ones along the bottom, and then you got a row of these clips along the top, which just pop it out, and then you should be able to put it right up. There's your bumper plug here. Right, and you don't need to take it right out. Just move it out of the way. And then here are your parking sensors. Just little clips on there, in the back. Press the back here, it pulls up. Give it a wiggle. They come off. You might have to push in every now and then if they're really stuck, but you should be okay. So 2 tabs on the park sensors, one on this side, one on this side. They bend down, and I think they're a little bit tight to get out. Depends how sticky they are. But yeah, tabs hook in here and here. And can you usually get them by hand? Yeah. Yeah, they should just pull easily. Bend down pretty easy. Pull them down, give it a wiggle. Pull them out. Okay. And then to install, it's pretty much just the reverse of pull out, stuff it in there. Try and bend those clips. If you're really worried about them staying in, put a zip tie around, but they should be good. Just like so. Very nice, very nice. Alright, and then reinstall the bumper rebar. Pretty much exactly the same as it was. Keep the lights out of the way.
Put all your park sensors in.
Yes, don't forget to do that. Clip all your park sensors in. Or plug them in, I guess. Put that back in. And then just line up your row of tabs on the bottom and on the top. I don't think I'm lined up quite here. There we go. Perfect. Make sure your light bulbs are up where you can reach them for your side marker lights, or your tail marker lights. And that guy, no, that guy just stays hanging out down here.
Get these in lined up down here. A little bit. Put make a thing of a jiggery thing. What? There we go.
Just like that, you got the back bumper back on. You're just putting the nuts on. And then those 3 Torx that are in each pocket here. And then just your rivets that came out of the bottom side on there. On the other side, those 2 rivets. Just put new ones of those in, or plastic plug clips, whatever they're called. Alright, and then for these little marker pieces, or corner plastics, stick this end in first, so you can get it lined up. I did the other side. That. Perfect. So last step to this is fish up, yeah, Sorry. Last step to this is fish up your wire that went to your arc assist box, or whatever it's called. And this one was plugged into the end one. I don't know if you can see that. Plug that in. Stick it back on the Velcro. There you go. So you can throw the sides back in, which that one just clips up at the top. It slides in and then sits in the bottom. If you want to get it off, you got to take this thing, pull it out. That goes down like that. Whammo. Then put your battery tray stuff all back on. And the only thing we didn't do is these little bumper lights, because ours are smashed and we have some on order. So, but yeah, thanks for watching.